Hey, SpiderWayne here, and I've already given away the Propel X-Wing Star Wars drone, the Propel Speeder Bike drone, and now I'm giving away the Star Wars TIE Fighter drone. Bought 3 of these, liked them so much that I thought I'd share, so I did 3 giveaways. This is the 3rd in the series. So this one is really nice, just like the other 2. When you lift the lid, you get up to like 6 different tones or sounds. Let's play a couple of them. Pretty wicked. Let's go. One more.
Luke, you can destroy the Emperor. He has foreseen this. It is
Okay. All right. So awesome boxing, just like the other 2 previous drones that I gave away. Now I want to go over a few things. It's going to be a really short unboxing. If you want details, there's a lot of other people out there that have done details on it. But I just want to do a quick unboxing just to show a couple of things that you should know in case you win this. And let's get on with that right now. Okay, look at the detail on this TIE Fighter. It looks really awesome, just like the other 2. This one, it says Lucasfilm down here and Propel. Don't forget, they didn't give this to me. This is just something I bought to give away. The detail, again, really awesome. I have to say though that this drone is probably the largest of the 3, and or it's the tallest of the 3, and it's probably the most fragile of the 3. It's the battery, the false door that comes off. Unlike the other 2 drones though, there's nothing to push back on anything, just this tab. And then you take it out, and like I said, it's a little bit fragile feeling, so be very careful on how you handle it. They give you 2 batteries, and the way you put these in, just reverse how you take the false cover off. Let's see if I can get this in here okay. All right, once you get it in there, make sure this tab goes forward, and those lights are lit. Those lights are just telling you it's time to connect with the remote, which I'm going to go over in a little while. I'm going to take this battery off a little bit here so I don't burn it out. Propellers, they give you a couple of sets of propellers. 2 of them are marked with an A. I don't think you'll be able to see that here. So there's an A on here and there's a B on here. So you got your A and B propellers. If you're looking at the drone upside down, the A propellers will go on the top right, lower left. The way you do that is you can start it manually, push it on a little bit, and then you take their little tool that they give you, which is right here, has that little divot, and you set it on top of there and push it down. Make sure it's all the way in. Then you just do the same thing, you know, with the bottom and all the rest. So to take the propellers off, you stick the tool back down in there. You just kind of pry it off a little bit. I like to hold where the propellers connect to, because if you hold somewhere else, you run a risk of breaking it. Okay, to go over the transmitter, I actually put the battery back in so that way we can do a little something with this. Otherwise, I won't be able to show you everything. So you turn it on by pushing this button here.
Good.
It's kind of like the box that comes in. It makes a lot of different sounds. I'll turn it on one more time. Okay. Holding these 2 buttons here will let you control. Oh, first I have to connect to the drone. So to do that, go up, down.
TIE fighter engaged. Ready for launch.
Okay, hold these two down. And now you can control the volume. Okay, I'm going to turn that down. And then hold them again to put it back to normal. Once you start up and connect everything, I suggest you hold this button down.
Systems check complete.
That's for a system check. And then to take off, you press and hold this button down, which I'm not going to do because I don't want the drone to try to take off, especially without any propellers on it. So, okay, let me turn this off and I'm going to go over a few other things. So when it was on, you might have noticed that there were 3 lights here. What this is that you can play with other people. These are considered battle drones. So every time you get hit, one of your lights goes out until all 3 go out. Oh, and the remote will vibrate. But once all 3 go out, from what I understand, your drone will be forced to land, letting you know that you just lost. Okay, so that's one. What else do I want to show you? Oh, there is a piece here for your phone. All that's for is in case you want to go over the simulator, which is in your phone. So it's like you're flying your drone, but you're actually looking at your screen. It's like a training simulator. Another thing is it comes with a screwdriver. These people over at Propel thought of everything. So you slide that out, and then what you can do is you can remove the battery case. Sometimes when you remove the battery case, whether there's batteries in it or not, it'll make sounds just like everything else that Propel gave you. So don't be alarmed if you hear that. There's also a blue strip right here that might light up and say, "May the force be with you." So enjoy that. Here's a headphone input. You can put your headphones or earbuds in here. This is the speaker in case you just want to let it blast out. And of course you got your shooting buttons right here. Pew, 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 pew. And you have, these are for barrel rolls. Barrel roll right and left. So I think that's about it. If I didn't already mention it, go to Propel if you win this, or even if you didn't, if you just own a pair yourself, go to Propel, go to the website, look up the parts for the drones, and once you see them, you'll see the propellers there are free. So order up some propellers, and all you have to pay for is shipping, but that's a good deal because I can't find these anywhere. So to get some extras on hand, make sure you go ahead and order a few. So besides that, I'm just going to show you some flight now.
Good. TIE fighter engaged. Ready for launch. Systems check complete. You are cleared for launch. Eliminate the opposition.
Most impressive.
Take evasive action. Rebels won't escape us. Scanning for rebel scouts. Eliminate the opposite. Take evasive action.
Most impressive.
Those rebels won't escape us.